Hello children, good morning to you all. Explanation of coastal plains and islands is over. Yesterday we completed the explanation of this lesson and today I am going to give you new terms. Okay, let us write new terms. So our lesson is coastal plains and islands. Coastal plains and island groups. This is our lesson. Okay. Coastal plains and island groups. This is our lesson. India, coastal plains and island groups. So here we are going to write new terms today. Reading, only reading. Typed matter you are going for, you are going to get for writing. So we are writing new terms. First one, triangular. 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 Tapers. 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 Kanyakumari. Kanyiya. Kanyakumari. Kumari. Kanyakumari. Kanyakumari. We are going to read the spellings after writing. Peninsula. Peninsula. Prevails. Packaging. Packaging. Broadest. Lighthouses. Lighthouses. Ninth one, commercial. 10th, lagoons. 11th, cashew nuts. Tobacco. 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 Petroleum. petroleum. 14th, petroleum. Bird sanctuary. Tourist. Attraction. Consisting. Consisting. First we read these words 3 times each, then I rub the board and write remaining ones. Triangular, tappers, triangular, 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 TAPERS, tappers, TAPERS, tappers. Kanyakumari, KANIYA, Kanya, KUMARI, Kumari, Kanyakumari, KANIYA, Kanya, KANIYA, Kanya, KUMARI, Kumari, Kanyakumari, KANIYA, KUMARI, Kanyakumari, PENINSULA, 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 PREVAILS, 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 PACKAGING, 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 packaging. Broadest, BROAD, broad, EST, broadest, 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 LITH, light, HOUSES, houses, lighthouses, LIGHT, light, HOUSES, houses, lighthouses, LIGHT, light, HOUSES, houses, lighthouses, COMMERCIAL, 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 CIAL commercial, LAGOONS lagoons, LAGOONS lagoons, CASHEW cashew, NUTS nuts, cashew nuts, CASHEW NUTS cashew nuts, CASHEW NUTS cashew nuts, TOBACCO tobacco, TOBACCO tobacco, TOBACCO tobacco, TOBACCO tobacco, PETROLEUM petroleum, PETROLEUM petroleum, PETROLEUM petroleum, BIRD bird, SANCTUARY sanctuary, bird sanctuary, BIRD bird, SANCTUARY sanctuary, bird sanctuary, BIRD bird, SANCTUARY sanctuary, bird sanctuary, TOURIST tourist, TOURIST tourist, TOURIST tourist, ATTRACTION attraction, ATTRACTION attraction, ATTRACTION attraction, CONSISTING consisting, CONSISTING consisting, CONSISTING consisting. Let us move to next verse. Eighteenth word. SHRIMP shrimp, SHRIMP shrimp. Ship building, SHIP ship, BUILDING building, ship building, SHIP ship, BUILDING building, ship building. Topographical, 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 topo, GRAPHICAL, topographical. ISLANDS, islands, not islands, it is islands. ISLANDS, islands. INHABITATED, inhabited. INHABITATED, inhabited. TSUNAMI, tsunami. 24th, disaster, DIASAS, TER, disaster. BARREN, barren. Submerged. SUBMER. SUBMERGED, submerged. SUBMERGED, submerged. Volcano, VOLCANO, volcano. Erupted, ERUPTED, erupted. So this is the name. Let us read. SHRIMP, shrimp. SHRIMP, shrimp. SHRIMP, shrimp. SHIP, ship. BUILDING, building. SHIP, ship. BUILDING, building. Ship building. SHIP, ship. BUILDING, building. Ship building. TOPOGRAPHICAL, topographical. TOPOGRAPHICAL, topographical. TOPOGRAPHICAL, topographical. TOPOGRAPHICAL, topographical. ISLANDS, islands. ISLANDS, islands. ISLANDS, islands. ISLANDS, islands. INHABITATED, inhabited. INHABITATED, inhabited. INHABITATED, inhabited. TSUNAMI, tsunami. T is silent. TSUNAMI, tsunami. T is silent here. TSUNAMI, tsunami. TSUNAMI, tsunami. DISASTER, disaster. DISASTER, disaster. DISASTER, disaster. BARREN, barren. BARREN, barren. BARREN, barren. SUBMERGED, submerged. SUBMERGED, submerged. Submerged. SUBMERGED, submerged. SUBMERGED, submerged. VOLCANO, volcano. VOLCANO, volcano. VOLCANO, volcano. VOLCANO, volcano. ERUPTED, erupted. ERUPTED, erupted. ERUPTED, erupted. So these are the new terms you got in this lesson. what is the name of the lesson? Coastal plains and island groups in this lesson. So you are going to learn the pronunciation by seeing my video, and under the video you are going to get the new terms spellings typed, wherein you are writing each word 2 times and leaving a line. 2 columns you are making in the page, writing 2 times each word. Understand? You are writing each word 2 times and leaving a line. This is how you are following the pattern. Please write them without fail, because shortly you are going to get the books to be submitted in the office room for correction. Okay. So see you now. Thank you, children.